Hello, my friends, and welcome back. On today's video, I am going to be taking you guys along to HomeSense, which to me, if you ask me, is like home goods on steroids. I came in search of some outdoor planters because we're making a few updates to our home exterior. We're switching up the coastal blue tones and going for a more toned down, relaxed coastal vibe, still beachy. Now, knowing me, my friends, this project might turn into a series of maybe 2 to 3 videos. As you all know by now, I am not a fan of those long 30-minute uploads. So I will be breaking it up in probably 2 to maybe 3 videos. Fun and to the point. So come along with me and let's get started on this transformation. Not sure what you call this color. It's almost a green or even a light blue, but I love the combination of both. Now, I was not lucky in finding what I was looking for. I actually need some outdoor planters, and they have to be large outdoor planters. But I tell you something, my friends, there's so many beautiful things in this store. I probably spent about 2 hours just walking around. And no, I did not buy anything, but I got so many ideas. Now, I am actually also looking for a nice welcome mat. Now, I need something that could actually work outside because, of course, with the rain and the humidity, this can be so messy, especially with the heavy traffic. Now, don't judge me, my friends, but I had to. They have Halloween stuff out already. And let me tell you, I was like a kid in a candy store. Don't ask me. I don't know what it is about Halloween and fall. It just makes me happy. Let me show you guys around for a little bit. So let me get back on track, my friends. So there's actually a Home Depot next to the HomeSense store. And I decided to stop by and check out the garden section because they have a great selection of these large planters. And yes, my friend, look how pretty. It's very similar to the one I saw at HomeSense. The size is perfect, and again, the color. And I want to combine these colors like a toned down, earthy beige color. I think it's going to look so pretty. And then, of course, I have to see what type of plant I'm going to be planting because I know by now you all should know that I don't have a green thumb. So you know what? I need to find something that just do well by itself, a little water, and that's it. So I'm quite sure I am going to find something that's going to work for me. But I actually love the selection they had here at Home Depot. Now, my friends, I did not buy these at Home Depot. I want to do a little more research and find those perfect planters for my front yard. Now, my friends, let me show you a little before of what the exterior of our home looks like right now. We've had this light blue color for quite some time, but that's about to change. We're also saying goodbye to a few things like the columns and these blue awnings you see here. Now, let me tell you, those awnings have been with us for about 25 years, so it's time to go. And yes, it was a little sentimental, but it's been part of our story and it is time to go. Change is good, my friends. I've always say this. So I am super excited to transform this outdoor color. And I think the house is going to look way bigger without these humongous columns we have here in the front. So honestly, this makeover was a long overdue. Now, my friends, let me show you the difference that removing those front columns made. What a transformation, my friend. It is truly amazing what a little change in structure and fresh paint can do. Just look how beautiful everything is starting to come together. We actually have so many plans for the front yard, so it's definitely a work in progress. One of our main goals is to eventually extend the front porch further out. Okay. So that's going to take some time, especially since we need to recover a bit from all the recent expenses between the new exterior paint. And yes, we actually paid someone to do all the pressure washing, of course, removing the columns, and of course, painting the house. So all these expenses can actually add up quickly. Now, the only thing I was struggling with was the mess. But you know what they say, right? Sometimes it has to get a little messy before it gets beautiful. So let me show you guys around. I know you've seen my videos and everything is in order, but not today. Let me show you, my friends. Now, my friends, we made a few changes to the exterior roof over the open patio area. Okay. We also removed the ceiling fans, and we are gonna definitely shop around for some good outdoor fans. Now, one thing I did, and I wanted to do this because I've seen this before, I wanted a wall with some greenery. So actually, we bought some carpet, and it's like it's artificial grass actually. And look how pretty this looks. Hector actually glued this on this wall, and I think it's going to do the job. All I need to get, it's probably a light, something that probably says good vibes. I'm not sure what I am going to do, but I'm super excited about that. Now, this is the outdoor roof I was talking about. We're going to get the fans and definitely some outdoor furniture. And summer is going to be pretty much over and done with in the next month or so. So, you know, these stores will be putting all these outdoor furnitures at 50 and sometimes up to 75% off. So you will definitely be hunting for some outdoor furniture. So, my friends, this is going to be all for today. I think I'm gonna be able to do just one more video so I can show you guys the final transformation. This looks so pretty already, just a few touches, nothing major. We still have so much work to do. So my friends, stay tuned for the next video. And as always, thank you for watching, and hey, don't forget to subscribe and hit that little bell so you guys don't miss out on videos. Until next time, bye-bye, my friends.